Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. And in this video for today, there is no exception because I have the best compilations of short Burgundy acrylic nail designs for you, my gorgeous friends. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that as soon as a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so ladies, watching this video, you see that these nails look so good, astonishing and attractive. You can practically rock these nails to any occasion of your choice. So watch to the end so that you choose your best light to make on your nails. You can even combine 2 or 3 designs and make on your nail because they look so good. They are really that good. Okay, so watch to the end and select your best light. And as you do, kindly support this channel by liking this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. I also appreciate my returning viewers who are always coming back to my videos and watching and also engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. You guys are so much appreciated. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you feel or what you think about my channel or my videos. Okay, and in case this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types, and you can also make your own choices from there. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video.